आपके दर से खाली अगर जाएंगे ताजदारे हरम, आपके दर से कोई न खाली गया, आपके दर से कोई न खाली गया।
Welcome back to my channel, guys. How are you all? And I'm fine, and thank you so much for all the love and support in my last videos. I really appreciate it. And today I'm wearing another suit, and this is my favorite suit. I just love the color, and today I'm wearing new earrings, as you can see. I just love them. And so today is a special video. It was a request by many subscribers to react to Atif Aslam. I know Atif Aslam, I've heard some of his songs and that he has sung, and today is something new. He sang in the Coke Studio season 8, and I have not heard this song, but when I typed Atif Aslam Coke Studio, this was the first song that came up, and I thought, why not just listen to this? And so I hope you will like this, and you do tell me more songs that Atif Aslam has done on Coke Studio. This was the first song that popped up, so there might be others also. Do tell me, and I really like Atif Aslam, and I hope you will write my reaction too. And see, today also I have my headphones with me, and I hope you will have the clear sound. And one more thing I want to say, if you like my reaction, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and do press that notification bell so that you can get videos from my channel. And please subscribe. Many of the users are watching my video but not subscribing, so I really want you all to just subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that whenever I update, you can get my videos notification. So without wasting much time, let me just put my headphone, set my laptop. Okay, so Coke Studio Season 8 Tajdare Haram by Atif Aslam starts now. It was originally sung by Sabri Brothers. So if you have the original video, if you know where it is, do comment down below with the link so that I can watch the original one also. Okay.
किस्मत में मेरी चैन से जीना लिख दे, डूबे न कभी मेरा सफीना लिख दे। जन्नत भी गवारा है मगर मेरे लिए, ऐ कातिबे तकदीर मदीना लिख दे।
He has such beautiful voice. Oh my god, you know, I really love Atif Aslam. I have heard many of the songs which he has sung in Bollywood, and one of my favorite song is Tu Jaane Na. I love that song which he has sung, and here also he has a beautiful voice, beautiful tone, you know, very different from others, and that husky note is there, husky tone is there, which I really like. And I am really excited for the further performance. And you know, with headphones on, I forget to pause and tell you. Sometimes I forget and I continue just listening to the song. If I forget to pause and I do not speak for a long time, please, I'm sorry, but I sometimes get too much engrossed in the song. So let's continue.
ताजदारे हरम ताजदारे हरम हो निगाहे करम, ताजदारे हरम हो निगाहे करम। हम गरीबों के दिल भी संवर जाएंगे, हम ये बेकसां।
Okay, someone told me that there are subtitles, but in this there is no subtitle. So do tell me the meaning of Tajdare Haram. I know this is a song for God, I understood that, but just the specific meaning in Hindi, if you could just tell me. It's beautiful, it's sounding beautiful, and I can understand he's praising to God, and he's I think so thanking him and asking for blessings. So do tell me the exact meaning of Tajdare Haram if you know the proper words.
क्या कहेगा जहां हम ये बेकसां, क्या कहेगा जहां आपके दर से खाली अगर जाएंगे। ताजदारे हरम, ताजदारे हरम।
One more thing I want to say, that it's not relevant to the singing, but I think Atif Aslam looks very nice, very handsome. He's very handsome. Oh my God, he's very handsome. I had a crush on him since a very long time, so because he's really handsome guy.
कोई अपना नहीं गम के मारे हम, कोई अपना नहीं गम के मारे हम, आपके दर पे फरियाद लाए हैं हम। हो निगाहे करम वरना चौखट पे हम, हो निगाहे करम वरना चौखट पे हम। आपका नाम ले लेके मर जाएंगे। ताजदारे हरम, ताजदारे हरम। तुमसे कहूँ ऐ रब के कुंवर तुम जान तो मन की बतियां, दारे फुरकत तो आए उम्मीद कब काटे ना कटती अब रतियां। तोरी प्रीत में सुध बुध सब बिसरी, कब तक रहेगी ये बेखबरी। काहे बेगहा दुस्तीदा नजर कभी सुन भी तो लो हमारी बतियां। आपके दर से कोई न खाली गया, आपके दर से कोई न खाली गया, आपके दर से कोई न खाली गया। अपने दामन को भर के सवाली गया, अपने दामन को भर के सवाली गया। ओ हबीबे हज़ी, ओ हबीबे हज़ी, पर भी आका नजर वरना।
I want to go back from the part where the beat of the song changed. I really want to go back. It sounded really nice, and the way he was singing, it just gave me again goosebumps. And I'm not lying. I'm really I just enjoy songs which are with deep meaning and beautiful voices. So yeah, I just want to go back from here.
तुमसे कहूँ ऐ रब के कुंवर तुम जान तो मन की बतियां, दारे फुरकत तो आए उम्मीद कब काटे ना कटती अब रतियां। तोरी प्रीत में सुध बुध सब बिसरी, कब तक रहेगी ये बेखबरी। काहे बेगहा दुस्तीदा नजर कभी सुन भी तो लो हमारी बतियां। आपके दर से कोई न खाली गया, से कोई न खाली गया, अपने दामन को भर के सवाली गया,
अपने दामन को भर के सवाली गया।
ओ हबीबे हज़ी, ओ हबीबे हज़ी, पर भी आका नजर वरना और आके हस्ती बिखर जाएंगे।
ओ हबीबे हज़ी, पर भी आका नजर वरना और आके हस्ती बिखर जाएंगे।
ताजदारे हरम, ताजदारे हरम, मैं कशो आओ आओ मदीने चले,
मदीने चले, मदीने चले, मदीने चले।
मैं कशो आओ आओ मदीने चले, आओ मदीने चले, आओ मदीने चले, इसी महीने चले, आओ मदीने चले,
आओ मदीने चले, आओ मदीने चले, इसी महीने चले, आओ मदीने चले।
तजल्लियों की अजब है फिजा मदीने में,
तजल्लियों की अजब है फिजा मदीने में।
निगाहे शौक की है इंतहा मदीने में,
निगाहे शौक की है इंतहा मदीने में।
गमे हयात न खौफे कज़ा मदीने में,
हमें हयात न खौफे कज़ा मदीने में।
नमाज़े इश्क करेंगे अदा मदीने में,
नमाज़े इश्क करेंगे अदा मदीने में।
बराहे रास है राहे खुदा मदीने में, आओ मदीने चले।
I know I have not speaking anything. I know I have not spoken anything because I was so engrossed. Oh my god. I mean, he has a beautiful voice and he's praising the God, and it's so beautiful, and you know, and the lyrics are so beautiful, and the synchronization with the band, band or the choir, sorry, the choir and the musicians is so perfect, and it transforms you to another world. It transforms you to a holy world, to be thinking about God, and yeah, it's so beautiful. I'm sorry that I did not speak anything. Now I think I will not speak also because it's going to end and I'm not going to pause it now.
आओ मदीने चले, इसी महीने चले, आओ मदीने चले, मैं कशो आओ मदीने चले,
मैं कशो आओ मदीने चले।
दस्त साकी कौसर से पीने चले,
दस्त साकी कौसर से पीने चले।
याद रखो अगर, याद रखो अगर,
याद रखो अगर, याद रखो अगर।
उठ गई एक नजर, जितने खाली है सब जाम भर जाएंगे।
याद रखो अगर, उठ गई एक नजर।
वो नजर जितने खाली है सब जाम भर जाएंगे। ताजदारे हरम, ताजदारे हरम, खौफ तूफान है बिजलियों का है डर,
खौफ तूफान है बिजलियों का है डर।
सख्त मुश्किल है आका किधर जाए हम,
सख्त मुश्किल है आका किधर जाए हम।
आप ही कर न लेंगे हमारी खबर, हम मुसीबत मुसीबत के मारे किधर जाएंगे,
आप ही कर न लेंगे हमारी खबर, हम मुसीबत के मारे किधर जाएंगे। ताजदारे हरम, ताजदारे हरम।
या मुस्तफा या मुजतबा इरहम लना दस्ते हम बेचारा दामातुवी मन आसियम मन आजिज़म मन बेकसम हाले मेरा पुरसातुवी ऐ मुश्तबे ज़ुंबर फिशा पैके नसी में सुबह दम, ऐ चार अगर ईसा नफस ऐ मून से बीमार गम, ऐ कासिदे पुरखंदा पे तुझको उसी गुल की कसम। इन्नल तैयारी हसबा यौमन इला अर्दिल हरम, बल्लिग सलामी रोज़तन फीहन नबील मोहतरम। ताजदारे हरम ओ निगाहे करम,
ताजदारे हरम, ओ निगाहे करम।
हम गरीबों के दिन भी संवर जाएंगे, हम ये बेकसां क्या कहेगा जहां,
हम ये बेकसां क्या कहेगा जहां।
आपके दर से खाली अगर जाएंगे, ताजदारे हरम ताजदारे हरम ताजदारे हरम।
Okay, sorry guys for the end noise and all that. I'm sorry, my mouse, that's why. Oh my god, I mean, he is perfection. He is like the, what should I say, the beautiful singer. And the lyrics, in the end I think he was reading some quotes from the Quran, maybe, I'm not sure, do tell me. And because it felt like that he was praising God in Urdu, and I am really sorry there were no captions, so I was not able to understand much, but do tell me in the comments. And I really enjoyed it. He's a phenomenal singer. And the control, like Tajdare Haram, when I'm saying haram, so it's not vibrating, but when he was singing, there was so vibration in his sound, and it was so clean that actually you can hear that. If you will listen with the headphones, are able to hear that vibration in his sound, and it is so precise, and it comes with a lot of practice, years of practice, and lot of effort. So yeah, thank you so much for recommending Atif Aslam's song from Coke Studio. I am looking forward to more different types of singers. Do tell me other content also, songs and movie trailers. If you want me to watch any movie trailers or funny clips, or anything, if I can react to anything, you just tell me. I will try to do my best. And there are so many requests, I can do one video one time, so I will try to complete all of them. I am trying my best. So I hope you will always be with me, and thank you so much for staying with me. Like the video if you liked my reaction, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon, and follow me on Instagram so that you can follow me on Instagram to know more about me, more about my personal life. And the link, the ID will be given in the description as well as in the video somewhere, so do check out. Bye.